I'd like to start by showing you that the software can be used to produce computer-aided design drawings in a large number of different disciplines. So here's a drawing, for the sake of argument, showing layout of air conditioning systems. If we went to one of an apartment, there's a layout for apartments. So we can zoom in by rolling in with the wheel of the mouse, and then we can pan by holding the wheel of the mouse down and slide across. If we select, say, a piece of text there and right click, we can do things with that text that's selected. We can move and whatever. So we're doing most things by right clicking. If I right click with nothing is selected, I can then go zoom extents, which zooms me out. So most operations can be done with either the left button of the mouse to select things or the right button to pop things up, or use the wheel of the mouse to zoom and pan. If we go to elevations, here's a view. Let's zoom in again. Not quite sure why that ring is there. This is not my drawing, but here's another view of the elevation of a building. So these are architectural examples. If we go into this one here, this is an example of a drawing that is referred to as an instrument loop drawing. Shows you the way in which particular instruments in a process plant are plugged in. Here's a process and instrumentation design view of a drawing for a similar process plant. Here's a piping diagram showing you the way piping moves. Here's a landscape plan. I can go view and select page and move to the complete design, and that moves us to a presentation page. And now we're looking at an A1 sheet here. This is what it will look like when plotted to paper. And we can move back to the true model by picking select page and pick model. You can see this designer is using several layout pages to present different views of his design. If we go to another field, we can go and look at some electrical symbols. These can be copied from this drawing and pasted into other drawings. And finally, another detailed drawing of mechanical drawing, some steel work and some details of weldings and so on. What I've tried to illustrate there is that the software can be used in a wide variety of disciplines.